How's it going, James? Online Car Show. Got a mod today for those viewers that do attend car shows and want to present their Camaro a little bit better. I'm standing in front of the car because I don't want to give it away with the hood open, but without hesitation, let's get this video started.
You know what the difference is between you and me? I make this look good.
Well, as y'all may or may not know, I am planning to attend Camaro Fest in Bowling Green, Kentucky this year. I believe it's July 12th through the 14th. CamaroFest.org, I think, is the website. Those want a really good nationwide show. That would probably be a really good one to attend. I've got a mod today that I'm going to show off that I got to prepare for that show, and it's just something for the car show guys that want to present their Camaro a little bit better, maybe get a couple points for presentation at car shows. And also thought this mod would be really good to do after the under hood car detail video I just released. So let's get into the unboxing. I'm going to show y'all what I got. Quick unboxing here. We have a car show mod, or a mod for car shows. This box is coming to us from The Decal Shop LLC in Surprise, Arizona. That's our packaging for that big box and this little package. Middle of the road, it's okay. Let's see what we got here. Looks like they gave us a little extra of some kind. Or maybe it's part of it, we'll see. But a little clip hanger there. Alright, now we'll cut this open. Carefully. There's what we have inside. Put this against something with a darker background for y'all. Take it out of the packaging here. But there we have it. What this is a go-between between the hood and the body of the car. So when you pop up your car at a car show, you're going to see, of course, the acrylic, or it's made of acrylic plastic, I believe. But very nice quality there. Seems to be some kind of etching done into the acrylic. If you have a light or something behind this is going to light up with LED, and you know, the letters here will illuminate with whatever LED you have. It'll give it a cool effect, just to let you know. So this should give me a little bit better presentation for the shows. So let's go ahead and get her on the car and take a look. Alright, installation is very easy. All you're going to do, clip it around here while you hold the top of the hood, press it down. And while pressing it down, you'll simply push it around the lock, or the latch mechanism with the carabiner or whatever they gave you. And that's it. Alright, well, we've got it on the car. Looks really freaking good. This is going to look good at car shows. You know, it's just that extra presentation to get people's eyes. They walk up to your car, look under your hood, and it's real clear acrylic here. There was a bad spot right here, I noticed, right there near the M. It's still kind of there. I'm going to get a little more glass cleaner after it, but in a really soft microfiber. You know, you don't want to clean this with a regular towel. But it looks really good on the car. Camaro, it's got the Chevy emblem there. There are two options here. You can use a hood prop, these are called online. I'll put a link in the description to buy this one, but if you want to search for other models, they come in metal, all kinds of stuff you can find, or even just custom make one. But it's called a hood prop. You can also buy a little thing here for your strut that'll screw down right here, that I've used before on Corvettes. This will stop your hood or the strut from decompressing. You don't want to come over and slam your hood with that on though. I do like this method a little more because it gives a better presentation, I think, for the shows. But there you have it. Looks really good. If you're doing car shows and stuff like that on a regular basis, you should
looking at doing something like this for your car. Thanks for watching my videos. Y'all be sure to come back next week. I've got more of the car wash, car detailing series, and we've got a couple more mods coming your way.